I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile using DNS. Understanding how DNS works can significantly enhance your gaming experience. By optimizing your connection, you can achieve smoother gameplay and potentially lower your ping. This method involves a few straightforward steps that anyone can follow. We will cover everything from selecting the best DNS servers to applying the changes on your device, ensuring you get the most out of your PUBG Mobile sessions. Let's dive in and get you ready for a better game. To begin, you'll need to select the best DNS servers for your region. Popular options include Google DNS, known for its reliability, and Cloudflare DNS, praised for its speed and privacy. Google's primary server is 8.8.8.8, with a secondary of 8.8.4.4. Cloudflare offers 1.1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1. Using a DNS speed test application can help you identify the fastest and most responsive servers specifically for your internet service provider and location, ensuring optimal performance. Now let's configure your device. Navigate to your Wi-Fi settings and select the network you are currently using. You will need to change the IP settings from DHCP to static. This allows you to manually input the DNS server addresses. Carefully enter the primary DNS server, such as 8.8.8.8, into the designated field. Then, input the secondary DNS server, like 8.8.4.4. Remember to save these changes to apply the new settings to your connection. After applying the new DNS settings, it is crucial to verify everything is working correctly. First, restart both your mobile device and your Wi-Fi router to ensure the changes take full effect. Then, open a web browser to confirm you still have internet access. Finally, launch PUBG Mobile and observe your in-game ping. You should notice an improvement in connection stability and speed. If you encounter any issues, try experimenting with alternative DNS servers, or simply revert to your original automatic settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.